Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Monday, January 26, 2009. This morning I wanted to wrap up what we've been looking at with command line options and show you how to implement your own command line options in a Cincom Smalltalk application. So what you want to do is look at this image configuration system. It's one of the subsystems that fires at image startup, either as soon as the GUI is available if you're in a head full system so that any mistakes can be debugged, or at startup before that, obviously in a headless system because, well, you don't have a GUI. So you want to make sure you debug these carefully before you go headless, in other words, because you don't want the image just dying at startup because you screwed up your command line option processing. It's actually pretty simple to implement. You come over here and look at one of the examples. I went through image level options last week. One of them was file in, and all you do is put a pragma here, and here we're handling it with a lowercase I or the small talkish capital case I there. So you have this pragma, tells it to look for that on the command line, and then to get the arguments, you just go to command line interest, send it arguments from, and then the stream that comes into this is an argument. It'll give you a collection of arguments that came in after the thing in question you're looking for, minus file in. So anything that comes before the next option will come to you as a collection. If you want it to be one unitary argument, enclose it in double quotes and it'll come in as a unitary argument. So to do your own, let's go to hierarchy. I'll go over here to startup system where I've written a little one. And I implemented one to drop any command line arguments to the transcript. And all I do is put in this option minus TR, and then anything that comes in after the minus TR will be in this stream. And I just tell it, drop each one to the transcript, then put a space. So, to show you how that works, I'm going to kill this image. And then I'm going to bring a command line in here. And you see I'm starting the VM, start my image, then minus TR, and I put in quotes, hello there. Let's see how that works. And you can see here in the transcript I have hello there. So there it is, one message implemented in one class, and I've got command line processing. Now if you had a lot of this to do, you might want to derive your own subclass of image configuration system and do this yourself. Works the same exact way. This is just an example of how it goes. So if you have a handful of them, you might just extend the class in your own package. If you have a lot of them, you might want to write your own class. So that's about it for today. We've now covered command line options to the VM, command line options to the image, and how to write your own command line options and have them processed properly. So we'll wrap it up there. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.